Hi guys, so today I'm going to talk about the how you can clear the Google Cloud Certified Generative AI Leader examinations. And nowadays there are many requirements are coming into the markets related to specific generative AI engineer or agentic AI engineers, or how you can create the agents by utilizing that agent development kits. Not just AWS or Azure's are offering certificates, but Google has also come with its one certificates, and it's like generative AI leader certifications. So if you want to clear that exam for that certifications, then you need to follow some steps. You need to have some basic idea about that, how Google Cloud is working, then how machine learning or natural language processing, or how you can utilize that Google's various cloud services. So most important parts related that generative AI, agentic AI kit, that generative AI leader exams, they are checkings. Firstly, they are checkings like how you are compatible with the using that generative AI services like Vertex AI services or Model Garden services or even model registry, how you are evaluating, then how you are deploying various cloud run services, Kubernetes services, and agent engines. So and how you are utilizing like vector AI search, vector search, Google's embedding models, when to utilize one specific models. Like Google has come with the various models, like one is text generation, another is the image creation type models like palm model, or some are the multi-models models, or some are the small models like gamma type models, which are running on the small numbers of parameters. Fair like Gemini models or the Gemini Flash and all those models are running on the billions number of parameters. So in the exam certification exams, actually they will try to check your knowledge, like how you are able to interpret the questions, and within the given time how you can accurately select the right options. So actually for means exam timing is nearly about 120 minutes, and within that you have there will give you nearly about 45 questions, so you can calculate how much time you will get. So actually you will get the sufficient or right amount of time. But the questions asked by them are the tricky ones. Some are the scenario based, some are the development purposes, some are the related to the ethical AI, responsible AI. Then some are related to the when to utilize which services. Sometimes they will give the options, and by seeing those options you maybe seems like very confused, because those all options look like similar to each other, so you have need to think there twice, try three times. And also while giving that exams, you can check the options, you can means mark those questions for the review later, so at the end maybe you can get some tricks, or through that also you can check solves. So there are some simple questions, like they will ask like when to select which models, like if it's the multi-model, or if you have this small task, then which model you will select. And if it's the tech generations or like research steps types, then Google has also given the some theories, or in our daily rack systems or while developing agentic AI, we can utilize the various prompt techniques or strategies, like few short prompt examples, then multi-shot prompt example, zero shot prompt examples, prompt chaining. So they will ask definitely all those four questions based upon that, like when to utilize like sequential conversations, or also they will come with like Vertex AI Studio, Google AI Studio. So if there are some persons are coming and if they don't know the knowledge about those codings and all those platforms, so which service you will utilize and how you will utilize, then they will ask the questions related to the infrastructures, identity managements like IAM services and all those. So you have need to be sure and be very sure while selecting those options, because you have need to get at least 75% or 70% marks, and for each sections actually the examiner will verify like for each sections how much you have scored. If you are failing in any particular one sections, then also they will going to give you a result that's fail. So prepare thoroughly, and while preparing for that exams, Google is giving some badges for each course. And so whenever you are completing your specific modules, like one is the Gen AI leader, then another one is like utilizing ADK kits or Vertex AI Studio, or implementing that in real life examples. So whenever you are completing that one's particular course, so at the end they will give you 10 or 5 questions, and if you solve those questions, you just need to select that option. So once you clear all those, then they will give you some badges. So you need to complete such 5 or 6 courses. Google has given that course schedule for everyone free, so you just complete all those. If you are giving through the company and if those companies have that partnership type account, then you will get the free vouchers. Otherwise you have need to pay like nearly about $90, so its cost will come on nearly about 9,000 8,000. But if you are doing through your organizations, then it will be very helpful for you. There are other policies also given by them. Let's say if you fail the exams for first times, then after 14 days you can try to reappear that. Once again you are failing, then again in the 14 days you will try. So in a year you can try this for the 4 times. But if you prepare very well from initially and you can understand those concepts, you can try to learn those concepts topics from that exam topics. From that you will get some details idea, and try to also learn how to eliminate those options very easily. So you can do all those things. So I will share here some resources what through which strategy and resources I went and I have completed all those. So you can also do, because already I'm working on that Google's project. So already I have some basic knowledge about that and I'm utilizing their services. So maybe that scenario is not in your case, but you can learn all those things. And it's like end to end. So you have need to create the projects from the scratch to the deployment type of level. So for that you have need to be very careful and you have need to learn so many things, but it's very interesting and you will learn here a lot of things. So I hope you have enjoyed this series and I have given some most important tips points how to crack that Google Generative AI leader certification exam. And if you have any doubt or issues, please try to ask me in the comment. I'm always there for to help you. And have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.